Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to cash out on Coinbase. Let's get started. So once we are here on our Coinbase account, we can notice on the interface the portfolio balance that we have. So if you notice, we do have here $17.74. So in order for us to cash out, all we need to do then is to click the two-way icon or the two-way arrow below. So we're just going to click that. Once we click that one, we will be routed on this page wherein we do have the option to cash out. So we're just going to click this one. And right after that, we can notice the available amount that we have. So if you notice, we do have here $4.51. So we need to take note that we shouldn't go beyond from that amount because that is only the available amount that we have on our account. So with that, we can go ahead and click cash out. And once done, we will be routed on this part wherein we can input the amount that we want to cash out. So we will just be typing in $2.25, just like for example. And just to check on the details of our cash out, we can go ahead and click preview cash out. So we will be routed on this part wherein we can notice the different information or the different bank that we enroll on our account. We can also notice here the turnaround time as to the cash out. So it would take 1 to 3 business days in order for us to receive the amount. So once done, we can go ahead and confirm the cash out. So we are just going to click cash out now. So with that, we will be routed on this part wherein we will be notified that the request was already sent. So there you have it. That's how we are going to cash out on Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.